Hello guys, I'm Charlie Hustle. So I'm from Chanab HD News to present you a key fact, a little bit information about Hitler's life. So let's discuss our topic. What what do you know about Hitler? You know nothing. You know you know about him that he was a Nazi dictator, but I can tell you that everything you missed about his life. So this is a little bit information. Next week I'll also present this type of discussion. This type of questions will arise and I will tell you about his life, about his behavior and attitude. So did you know that Hitler suffered from a sexual disorder revealed by DNA analysis, a hormonal disease called carbon syndrome affected Hitler's personality, sexual weakness, and political obsession. Genetic data contains evidence that helps explain Hitler's unusual behavior and avoidance of women. But this is the first paragraph I was telling you. Now let's look at the other paragraph. What do I mean? What I'm telling to you. According to a Newsweek report, a new DNA study has revealed that Nazi dictator Adolf Hitler may have suffered from rare genetic condition known as carbon syndrome, which is linked to hormonal imbalance and delayed sexual development. Experts claim that this condition impacts testosterone production, which can lead to sexual dysfunction or abnormal development of reproductive organs. So, thank you. This was my topic.